If a Rolls-Royce were standing before you today, would you see it only as a symbol of success or status? Or would you think about the engineering hidden beneath that massive frame? Would you notice the absolute pursuit of perfection in every detail of that flawless craftsmanship, a standard to which thousands have dedicated their lives? Why is this car truly so expensive? Is it just for the luxury, or because every micron holds a genius that pushes the boundaries of physics? Let's dive into a few deep secrets that no one knows, and then you can decide for yourself. If you're ready, we're going beyond luxury into the heart of that metallic silence. The first thing you'll notice from the outside is a sight that seems to defy physics. No matter how fast the car travels, the iconic RR logo at the center of the wheel never spins. It remains perfectly upright at all times. Behind this isn't just a simple decoration, but a precision bearing mechanism built on brass mounts, utilizing a gravity-fed counterweight. For Rolls-Royce, even an upside-down logo is an unacceptable design flaw. The process starts long before the paint. After assembly, specialists, not robots, use their fingertips to find microscopic flaws. The body then undergoes electrostatic immersion for total corrosion armor. This ensures the car remains as perfect as day one, even 50 years later. The primer is treated like glass, polished until the paint can bond at a molecular level. So where does that incredible sense of depth come from? While a standard car uses only a few kilograms of paint, a Rolls-Royce carries a massive 45 kilograms of paint and finish. This 5-layer application consists of primer, base coat, 2 layers of clear coat, and a final polishing stage. Robots are programmed to distribute the paint with micron-level equality across every surface. However, by Rolls-Royce standards, even robots can only go so far. The real magic happens once the paint has cured. Under high-intensity lighting, specially trained inspectors examine the surface square centimeter by square centimeter. If a single dust mote 1/10, the width of a human hair, or an invisible ripple is found, the entire panel is sanded down, and the process starts from scratch. The final buffing takes hours to achieve the famous mirror finish. This isn't just paint. It's a flawless layer of liquid glass stretched over metal. It looks incredibly seamless, with a mirror-like finish. For Rolls-Royce, luxury starts with the source. They only use hides from bulls raised in high-altitude regions of northern Europe. Why? Because at these heights, the air is too cold for mosquitoes and other insects to survive. This ensures the skin is free from bites, stings, or scars. Every square inch must be naturally perfect, as any imperfection would break the visual harmony of the cabin. It's not just insects, it's about environment. The bulls are raised in areas without barbed wire fences to prevent scratches. Furthermore, only bulls are chosen because female hides can have stretch marks from pregnancy. This level of selection is why only a tiny fraction of the world's finest leather meets the grade. We are talking about a biological standard that ignores cost in favor of purity. Inside the car, symmetry is a law. A single interior requires up to 18 hides, and each one is checked by laser for structural density. Experts then hand-match the grain patterns so that the left side of the cabin is a perfect mirror image of the right. What you see isn't just upholstery. It's a mathematical arrangement of nature, stitched together by artisans who treat every seam like a masterpiece. After the cut, the true craft begins. Artisans use specialized herringbone tools and techniques to ensure every stitch follows a flawless geometric path. Each seam is millimetrically matched to form a perfect mirror image of the other side of the cabin. What you see isn't just upholstery. It's a mathematical arrangement of nature, where every stitch is treated like a masterpiece. The Starlight Headliner isn't just a lighting feature. It's a personalized galaxy. It consists of anywhere between 600 to 1,340 individual fiber optic cables, each hand-fitted into the leather ceiling. Artisans punch individual holes at different angles and depths. This technique creates a sense of true astronomical depth, making some stars appear closer while others glimmer in the distant background, just like the real night sky. The level of customization is staggering. A client can request the stars to be arranged exactly as they appeared on the night they were born or any significant date in history. Beyond static stars, Rolls-Royce engineers integrated shooting stars that flicker randomly across the cabin. Every single fiber is trimmed by hand to ensure the light intensity is perfect. It takes up to 17 hours of concentrated manual labor to complete just one ceiling. A Rolls-Royce engine isn't just built. It's forged through suffering. Before a single customer takes delivery, the car is pushed through a 2.5 million kilometer global testing program. From the scorching 50 degrees Celsius heat of the Arabian deserts to the bone-chilling minus 40 degrees Celsius of the Arctic Circle, the vehicle must perform flawlessly. When you see that hood being closed, you're not just closing a piece of metal. You are sealing a masterpiece that has conquered every climate on Earth. Why do they test it so brutally? Because for a Rolls-Royce, power is nothing without silence. Engineers focus on making the V12 engine so smooth that you could balance a coin on it while it's running. Whether plowing through deep snow or cruising over desert dunes, the cabin remains a sanctuary. This isn't just a car. It's a 2.5-ton mechanical triumph that refuses to let the outside world disturb your peace. A Rolls-Royce is more than a car. It's a monument of perfection that honors human intelligence in every micron. What you see is the priceless result of an unparalleled engineering achievement. So how do you define luxury? As a label or as flawless engineering?